created a product that can make the church, the owner, the policy owner, right, the payer, and the beneficiary. Okay, so there's three parts to that this program is designed to do. So you go to church leadership and you let them know, hey, you set this up however you want to set it up. Okay, the church can be the policy owner, right? A lot of times what we find is church leadership has to, or in their bylaws or in their amendments, they want to make policies on their leadership. So they want to have life insurance on their leadership for the benefit of the church, right? You go in there and say, I'm with a Christian insurance company, and oh, by the way, the church can be the owner, right? And obviously the payer, the church is paying for that policy for leadership. That's a knockdown. That's easy. I mean, that's an easy door opener to say, oh, I'm with a Christian life insurance company. I understand churches like yours need to have policies on the leadership. That opens the door. Oh, yeah, we never thought about that. Well, yeah, you should have a policy on your leadership, right? For succession planning, for just future, if something, God forbid, happens, right? Like, for everything. The reason why we talk about life insurance, right?
Corporations have it.
Absolutely, yeah.
Or part of a benefit package.
The Catholic diocese, I know, for the longest time would call us and say, oh, we have to have $50,000 on our pastor. Wow. Like, no questions asked, you guys. Like, we have to have it. If they've got health issues, guaranteed issue, they don't care. They have to pay for it. So it's coming out of the Catholic Church. So go to your leadership, go to your local churches. That's an easy door knocker, right? That's simple. From there, just getting in front of the church, right? Some churches are open to that, some aren't. But if you just talk about who you are and who you're with, speaking to your branding and yourself, right? People are buying from someone they like and trust. LCBA is great. That's a nice backing for you guys to have. Christian insurance company, over 130 some years old, but they're buying you. They're buying, the branding of you. So you show up with that, with our marketing materials to pitch to the church of, hey, you can leave 10% of your beneficiary to your church. What church isn't going to allow that? Say, no, we don't want you talking to people about leaving more money to the church. It's a legacy tithing program. That's what it is. It's a legacy tithing program. And then thirdly, like Bill said, like he's just reiterated, these church events, $100 TV, right? Wheel on Amazon is probably $20. Tablecloths, $160. You're done. Like, half these events don't have registration. I'd be signing up for you guys want me. I feel like I need to be on the distribution side with you guys because this is fun and exciting. I want to come down with a Chick-fil-A bag. I want to be a hero and sell policies. But I gotta create forms. I gotta do the compliance thing. I gotta manage the agent, which is fine. I enjoy that too. But I do still like the agent side. You guys have the fun part. You guys have the part of explaining what this is. The general consumer has no clue what kind of life insurance they bought 10 years ago. Doing a policy review. First steps, right? Table stakes. You just have to get in front of them and say, let's see what you have now. And maybe they have something that's decent or that's nice, but sometimes they don't. The accident policy, but yeah, so the church plan, first and foremost, get to leadership. Hey, I'm Matt, I'm with LCBA. We do a couple different programs. You can design it. They don't have to be the owner. They don't have to be the payer, but they can be. That's an option for them to set it up. And then just pitch to the congregation. So we've had, in the past, churches sign up as the entire church is the owner, the payer, and the beneficiary, okay? The church takes out a policy on the entire group of their longtime church membership. So it's there, it's available, it's been done on the entire congregation of the church, the long-standing members, right? To in one sense, it's a burial plan, right? And we didn't even get into the funeral directors that are connected to the church, right? You bring in a funeral director to explain, because the funeral director sees they're having to bury people that don't have the money or don't have the means. You're a friend to them as well. So whether you're doing a direct pre-need through a funeral home or whether it's the final expense hybrid plan that walks and talks like a regular pre-need, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you're providing coverage. The premiums are the same for both products. So you're providing the coverage, and the church and the local funeral director are going to love you for it. So, Steve?
Yeah.